In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the WhatsApp photos and videos not showing in gallery on your iPhone and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go to your WhatsApp. Now from here, what you need to do is you just need to go over here at the bottom. You can see there is a settings option. Click on this. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to chats. Now over here, there is an option called photo to iPhone. Over here you can see there is an option called save to photos. So what you need to do is you just need to go over here, turn on this, and this is very important. So you just need to go over here, make sure that you turn on this, and after turning on this you just need to go back and navigate to the storage and data. From here, if you scroll it down, you can see under the media auto download over here for the photos, audio, video and document. I have turned this off somehow. So I need to just go over here, tap on the photos first, set this to Wi-Fi and cellular. Now just need to go back to the same for audio, Wi-Fi and cellular, and you just need to go back on video, Wi-Fi and cellular, and you just need to go back once again. Now from here, go to the documents, set this to Wi-Fi and cellular. Now once you set this to all, and afterwards whenever you try to download any kind of things, your photo WhatsApp photos and videos and everything will be saved in a gallery and will not be having any kind of trouble. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.